To connect a push button to the BFT sliding gate motor, this is the connector, and I connected this one. The common one is on 60 and other one is on normal open is on 61. So this is the connector where you have to connect this push button. Now I will connect this here. I already connect the wires, you can see. So I'm going to fix this here, and I'll show you the switch we fixed on the guard room. In the guard room, I'll show you. So this in the guard room, I fixed that push button here, and I use the same cable, this wire, blue and green. Green is for common and it's normal open. And when I now push the button, the gate will be start opening. So this is, the gate is opening now. Even I can stop from here and close. So when I push again, the gate will stop. Now the gate is stopped. I will push again, the gate will start closing. So now it start closing. So this is how you can connect the push button to the BFT sliding gate motor.